Good morning, my dear students. In the previous lecture, we read the story, The Enemy. We completed it, and now we are going to discuss all the questions of this story. Let us begin with the read and find out questions. So, what is the first question? It is here before you. Who was Dr. Sadao? If any student can't answer this question, it means he has not read the story. It is very easy. Dr. Sadao was a Japanese surgeon, or we can say doctor. He spent 8 years learning surgery and medicine in America, and he was perfecting a discovery how to cure the wounds entirely clean. Where was his house? His house was at the Japanese coast, Japanese beach, and his house was made of square stone, and it was well above the narrow beach of bent pine trees. So this is the answer. I think you have got it. Second question is, will Dr. Sadao be arrested on the charge of harboring an enemy? क्या डॉक्टर सडाव को अरेस्ट किया जाएगा एक दुश्मन को अपने घर में आश्रय देने के लिए? नो, he will not be arrested because no one will complain against him. Only the servants knew it. They are not going to complain against him because they have come back as soon as the servant the American soldier has gone. General is also thinking about himself only. He has health problem and he knows it very well that only Sadao is there to treat him, so he does not want him to be arrested, so he will also not complain against him. So no one is going to complain against him, and in this way he will not be arrested. Will Hana help the wounded man and wash him or herself? This question we faced while we were on the point when Yumi denied washing the white man. So it is expected from us that we should find out the answer of this question while reading the story. So we know that Hana was a very kind woman and she was cooperative with her husband also. As Yumi had denied to wash the white man, she will herself wash the American soldier because she wanted him to be treated well. So she will wash him. And if this question comes with did Hana help the wounded man and wash him herself? Yes, Hana helped the wounded man. She fed him. She washed him herself because Yumi had denied, and it shows that she was a kind lady. So your answer should be according to the tense of the question. Let us discuss the next question. What will Dr. Sadao and his wife do with the man? This question cannot come in the exam like this. It should be here we should have did. What did Dr. Sadao and his wife do with the man? ये ऐसे आएगा एग्जाम में. So Dr. Sadao and Hana found an American soldier in front of their home. He was in a wounded condition. He was a prisoner of war. But Dr. Sadao and Hana were very kind people. They could not let him die. That's why they took him to their home, and Dr. Sadao operated on him and he saved his life. And in the end, he also helped him in escaping from Japan. So this should be your answer. What will Dr. Sadao do to get rid of the white man? So Dr. Sadao was a kind person. He was a very good doctor also. When he found that the patient, the American prisoner of war, was in a dying state, he operated on him. So he did his duty efficiently. But when he saw that his wife was in trouble, she was completely exhausted because of the fear she had in her heart, he decided to get rid of him. And what did he do? He, here should be, आपका आंसर यहाँ से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. He managed he managed for the American prisoner of war to escape from Japan, and for that he gave him a boat with food, water, and clothes. He also gave him a flashlight, and he instructed him to wait on the on an island that was near the Japanese coast, and he also instructed him to wait for only Korean fishing boat, so that he could go away without any trouble from there. So in this way he got rid of the American soldier. So these were the questions. There is one more question. Will Dr. Sadao and Hana be arrested on the charge of harboring an enemy? So I have already answered this question. This is the question. Will Dr. Sadao be arrested on the charge of harboring an enemy? The same question. No, they will not be arrested on the charge of harboring an enemy, because the general is with them. General does not want Sadao to be arrested. Servants have also come back. They will also not complain against them, and they are loyal to them. So they are not going to be arrested. So these were the questions of read and find out. So we have to discuss some more questions. Let us discuss those questions also, and I am going to discuss these questions also.